زلزله کوه رو ببین چیکار کرد.
After Turkey, an earthquake of magnitude 5.3 occurred on Tuesday morning in southern Iran. The epicenter was located near the port city of Bandar Abbas, the administrative center of Hormozgan province. The U.S. Geological Survey said the quake hit an area northwest of the Iranian city at a depth of 21 kilometers. After the tremors of the earthquake, panic arose among the people. Many people left their homes. There are currently no reports of loss of life or property from the earthquake. Earlier on January 28th, there was a strong earthquake in the city of Khoui in northwestern Iran. At the same time, as a result of the earthquake, 7 people died and 440 people were injured. Hormozgan is one of the 31 provinces of Iran. The population is about 1,400,000 people. It is located in the south of the country, on the northern coast of the Persian Gulf.